Meteorologist Michael Coates.
Taking a live look in Pocatello, we switched up the camera there. We're taking a live look at the Farm Bureau sky cam. We got some clouds, we got some showers right now. Winds out of the west at 19 miles an hour. We're dealing with the tail end of the weekend system coming through, so we're getting our last little bit of some wet weather here for tonight, and then we're going to start to turn to some drier weather for the rest of the week with just some lingering showers by tomorrow morning. We can see some of that wet weather right now on First Alert Viper radar with some rain and snow in the highest elevations there, but even then it's not slowing down too much on Teton Pass, but we are seeing some rain showers here stretching from Island Park all the way into southeastern Idaho and then over into western Wyoming tonight with some drier air out towards the desert and areas of the Magic Valley right now. Still got a little bit of wet weather trying to creep up from Nevada tonight, so we're not completely out of the woods in terms of showers. It's all thanks to this pocket of low pressure, which is going to die further to the south as we get into the weekend, or excuse me, the rest of the weekend. Then we start to really warm it up as we work a little bit closer to the weekend. Here's what's happening. Area of low pressure is going to take that jet stream and push it further into the four quarters. We're still going to be dealing with temperatures just a little bit below average for this time of the year here for tonight and tomorrow, with highs into the upper 50s to lower 60s. We're not looking for much rain tomorrow. In fact, we're going to start to see the showers drag further to the south and to the east of us, so we're going to start to dry things out here locally for tomorrow. High pressure working back in by Wednesday and Thursday, and we're going to be dealing with some warmer temperatures and potentially even some record-breaking warmth as we get into Thursday and Friday with the arrival of that really strong ridge of high pressure. But for tonight, let's get to it on the Vipercast. I want to show you that we have a little bit of this wet weather still with us, the tail end of the cold front sneaking on through with some gusty conditions. But once we get past midnight, the winds will die down. We're left with some cloud cover tomorrow. We're still going to have a bit of some wet weather in areas like Jackson, the southeastern highlands, and a chance of a shower tomorrow morning in areas of the Snake River Plain. But as we transition to the afternoon, the sun's going to come out. The winds will pick up out of the north here for tomorrow afternoon. We'll get a little bit breezy out there, and then high pressure starts to really take a hold here for Wednesday and Thursday throughout the western states, and we're going to warm it up nicely into some 70s and even some 80-degree temps possible by this Friday. Yeah, I did say 80. Here's a look at the winds tonight. Still a little bit breezy out there. The winds will get lighter tonight. Tomorrow morning, not too windy to get your day started. In fact, the winds are going to be very nice to get your day started. And then we start to build in that wind in the afternoon. But the average wind speed here for Tuesday afternoon will be about 10 to 15 miles per hour, gusts around 20. So not terribly windy here for tomorrow. 58 for the high in McCam and 51 tomorrow for Soda Springs and Lava Hot Springs with a high of 50 in Montpelier. And numbers in Jackson getting about 51 tomorrow with a high of 54 in Island Park. 60 for Rexburg. 52 in Driggs with highs in central Idaho. Scored about a 63 for Chalice and Salmon. 61 in Arco with highs in the Snake River Plain at about 60 tomorrow, along with Rigby. 60 for Pocatello and 58 in American Falls. We're not going to see a lot of change from city to city because we're still in the wake of today's stormy weather, and we'll have some cloud cover in the morning. So temperatures are going to be about the same all across the Snake River Plain tomorrow afternoon. We'll have partly mostly cloudy conditions for Tuesday, some sunshine on Wednesday, and some passing clouds on Thursday and Friday. But check out those temps. 71 for Thursday, 79 on Friday, and the winds will pick up over the weekend. Temperatures will drop just a little bit as we get into Saturday and Sunday. Pocatello peaking to about 81 on Friday. Wow. And then we're down to 76 on Saturday, then 64 on Sunday as some windy weather sets up for the weekend, and we'll have some showers by the later half of this approaching weekend. Blackfoot, a high of 66 for Wednesday, 73 for Thursday, 81 on Friday. Then we're down to the mid-70s on Saturday with the winds picking up. Rexburg, a high of 64 for Wednesday, 71 for Thursday, upper 70s on Friday, but down to the lower 70s on Saturday. But even then, with that drop in the temperatures, numbers are a little bit above average here for the weekend on Saturday at least. Salmon, you'll have highs at 67 for Wednesday, 75 on Thursday, down to 70 on Saturday with some gustier conditions over the weekend and highs around 59 on Sunday with a shot of some wet weather. We have a little bit of wet weather still hanging around areas near the Tetons for tomorrow. That's why Jackson has a chance of some wet weather for tomorrow. 60 degrees on Wednesday, mid to upper 60s for Friday and Saturday with highs around 69 on Friday, 64 on Saturday. Our